So, si Alan Lim ay hindi si Lin Wei Xiong na iyong husband.
Never ko po na rinig na tinawag po siyang Alan Lim. Ang pangalan niya po ay Lin Wei Xiong. Madam, ang sabi naman po ni Colonel Asierto, if may I po, ang sabi niya po simula 2016, hindi na po nagpakita a certain Alan Lim. Ang asawa ko po nandito, kaaalis niya lang po last May. So, ibig sabihin po nun, kung hindi nagpapakita a certain Alan Lim, ang asawa ko po nagpapakita. So, ibig sabihin po nun, hindi siya si Alan Lim.
Lynn, the picture on the right, that's you and your husband. Do you confirm that?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can you share with us where this picture was taken?
That was taken po last Christmas sa Dubai.
How about the next picture?
Yan ang next picture po. Yan po yung time na pumunta po silang Davao para po magpaalam para sa Pharmaly Biological na magtatayo po ng isang manufacturing.
Colonel, tama po ba? Sa inyo nang galing itong dalawang pictures?
Opo, sa tingin ko po, sa akin po.
Madam Chair, gusto ko lang po i-clarify na yung mga pictures na po yon ay nanggaling at available po yan publicly sa website ng company before. Yung may balbas po ay hindi po yan asawa ko. Yung isa po na nakangiti, yan po yan siya dahil nakuha rin po yan sa isang public documents or public site na mayroon siyang picture.
What do you comment about that?
Hindi po siya yan, yung may balbas.
How about the veracity of the information that he is a drug personality?
No, Madam Chair, hindi po. Dahil kung ang sinasabi po ni Colonel Asierto na 2003 na nandun po siya sa isang raid, ay dapat po nakasuhan na po siya. Ang sabi niya is dismiss. So kung dismiss, ibig sabihin, ang nakalagay po na pangalan niyan dyan, wala pong kaso yun.
Who really is this Lin Wei Xiong? And what is his connection to the two other names, Wen Lishen and Alan Lim?
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Comsec, pwede pakibalik yung picture lang? Mr. Chairman, I'd like to address my question to Ma'am Rose Donolim. Kilala niyo ba yung isang nakapicture?
Ang isa po na sa picture ay asawa ko po.
So yan po si Alan Lim.
No po, yan po ay si Lin Wei Xiong.
Meron din pangalan na Wen Lishen at saka Lin Wei Xiong. Yan
Ang
po.
pangalan niya po ay Lin Wei Xiong.
Kaya nga, Lin Wei Xiong, meron din siyang pangalan. Alan Lim, also known as Jeffrey Lim, also known as Lin Wei Xiong. Hindi ho yan ang husband nyo, ma'am?
Lin Wei Xiong po ang pangalan ng husband ko, Your Honor.
Pero yan po yung husband nyo.
Yes po, siya po yung isa sa picture.
Asa po siya ngayon?
Nasa out of the country po siya ngayon.
Kailan pa po siya uwi sa inyo, sa bahay nyo?
Ay, hindi ko pa po alam kung kailan.
Bakit nasa abroad po ba siya, ma'am?
Yes po, nasa abroad po siya ngayon.
Anong citizenship niya? Pilipino ho siya o Chinese?
Hindi po siya Pilipino, Hong Kong citizen po siya.
So, nasa Hong Kong po siya ngayon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan po kayo huling nakita ng husband nyo?
Nagkita po kami last November 1.
Nung All Saints Day?
Yes po.
Dito po sa Pilipinas?
Hindi po.
Saan po?
Sa Hong Kong po.
May All Saints Day po sa Hong Kong?
Wala po. Pero holiday po yun ng mga bata.
Okay. So kasi po, naitanong ko kasi, pag napunta na po tayo dito, marami pa po akong katanungan sa inyo, ma'am. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Senior Deputy Speaker Gonzales. Susugan ko lang yung tanong ni Congressman Gonzales. So, si Alan Lim ay hindi si Lin Wei Xiong na iyong husband?
Never ko po na Drinig na tinawag po siyang Alan Lim. Ang pangalan niya po ay Lin Wishong.
Lin Wishong.
Yes
how
po, Your
old is
Honor.
how old is your husband?
48 years old.
48.
Yes po.
I hope you don't mind me asking,
Person.
saan mo kayo nagkakilala ni Lin Wishong?
Nagkakilala po kami sa trabaho ko po dati.
May we know kung saan kayo
Sa isang hotel po.
sa abroad?
New po, here sa Philippines.
Dito sa Pilipinas. And what
Opo.
year was this?
2009 po. Early of 2009.
So si Lin Wishong ay pumunta ng Pilipinas, isang Hong Kong national, correct?
Yes po.
Siya ay napunta ng Pilipinas ng mga ganong time, 2009?
Nakilala ko lang po siya nung time na po yon.
But prior, would you know kung nandito siya between year 2001 to 2007? Ganyan?
Ang alam ko po, 2005 nandito na po siya sa Pilipinas.
2005, nandito
Yes
siya sa
po.
Pilipinas. And anong ginagawa niya rito sa Pilipinas? Anong kanyang negosyo?
That time po, nagnenegosyo na po siya. May mga kamag-anak na po siya dito sa Pilipinas, Mr. Chair.
May mga kamag-anak siya dito. Hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin siyang kamag-anak dito.
Mayroon pa rin po.
At sila ay mga negosyante rito.
Yes po.
And they are Hong Kong nationals too.
Hindi po. Chinese national sila.
Filipino-Chinese?
Yes po.
Filipino-Chinese na may negosyo dito?
Yes po.
O sige. So, kailan umalis si Lin Wishong?
Umalis po siya ng Pilipinas, May po, this year.
May of this year?
Yes po.
Okay. So, wala ba siyang sinabi sa'yo kung kailan siya babalik?
Wala pa po siyang sinabi.
And may I know anong business, anong nature ng business niya?
Dito po ba sa Pilipinas? Dito po sa Pilipinas,
dito.
yes po. May mga real estate po kami dito.
Okay. What about abroad? Anong kanyang negosyo?
Abroad po, may mga real estate rin po.
Sige. Thank you for...
Chair,
Sir, please proceed.
I wish to further request Ms. Rose Nonolin that with respect to the Chinese passport, if this is similar to a Philippine passport, she submit not only the information page, but also the thumb mark page and the signature page, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, if Ms. Rose Nonolin is generous enough to provide information, may we hear from her as well? Ano po ba ang mga business establishments nyo abroad?
Mr. Chair, kung okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses namin abroad, hindi, or pwede ko ibigay sa inyo through writing?
Can you please at least cite the names of your business establishments abroad?
Mayroon po kaming taxi company sa Hong Kong.
May we know the name?
It's Plus Elegance po.
Plus Elegance. What else, ma'am?
Mr. Chair, it's okay lang po ba na yung mga businesses sa abroad po namin na hindi naman po konektado po sa pagdinig na ito? Hindi na po.
I understand, Ms. Rose. However, we're trying to help you rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto that these three names pertain to one and the same person. And I'm sure that you will be happiest to prove na hindi nga siya itong Alan Lim at itong Wen Le Shen. Tama po ba?
Madam Chair, magsasubmit naman po ako ng mga hiningin po ninyong documents. Pero ang hinihingi ko lang po ay sana yung mga properties namin abroad at businesses, hayaan na po natin po doon.
Yes,
For
I
our
understand.
protection na rin po.
We are only trying to establish the identity because it is very hard to investigate on a certain person with three names, and we have here Colonel Asherto who's strongly testifying that this pertained to one and the same person, and that refers to your husband. So I think you should take advantage of this opportunity, Ms. Rose, to offer all these documents, to offer all this information so we can rule out the allegation of Colonel Asherto.
Madam, ang sabi naman po ni Colonel Asherto, if may I po, ang sabi niya po simula 2016, hindi na po nagpakita a certain Alan Lim. Ang asawa ko po nandito, kaaalis niya lang po last May. So ibig sabihin po nun, kung hindi nagpapakita a certain Alan Lim, ang asawa ko po nagpapakita. So ibig sabihin po nun, hindi siya si Alan Lim.
But to be able to further prove that allegation of yours, I think the documents will be of big help to rule out this allegation of Colonel Asherto. Meanwhile, may I go back to Colonel Asherto, Mr. Chair? Colonel Asherto,
Opo, ma'am.
what proof do you have
Okay.
that Alan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Wei Sean Lin refer to one and the same person? I remember during the hearing of dangerous drugs, that is prior to Quad, you even shared some slides of passports. If you still have
Meron po.
these documents,
Meron pa rin po akong kopya ng kanyang passport na ini-issue noong 2011 po yata yun.
so can you please enlighten us, Colonel Asherto, what proof do we have?
Yung passport niya po na nakakuha po ako ng kopya ng passport niya,
Philippine passport
Ini-issue
po ba
na-
ito o Chinese passport?
Chinese passport po.
Chinese
Ini-issue
passport.
nung March 14, 2011, ini-issue dito sa Maynila. Ang expiry niya is 13 March 2021.
2021.
Opo, ang passport number is Gold 47972221.
Colonel, I remember we flash it in the screen. You share it before, during the hearing of the dangerous drugs. Pwede po ba ulit nating ma-share yun sa committee so we can share it with Ms. Rose Nono Lin?
Hindi ko po alam po paano i-share sa inyo. Baka meron pong kopya yung secretariat po.
Well, the Secretariat will just get in touch with you, Colonel Asherto. Aside from the Chinese passport, what other proof do you have which lead to your conclusion that these three names pertain to one and the same person?
Ang pinaka-basis ko po is yung information ng anong asset, saka itong nakuwang mga dokumento, yung mga pictures, at hindi naman po ako gagawa ng kasinungalingan na report na maglalagay sa akin sa alanganin, na pati po ang mga kasamahan ko na damay.
Colonel,
So, ako po ay sigurado.
Yun pong
Sigurado po
Chinese-
akong 100%.
Yun pong Chinese passport na binanggit nyo, does it bear the picture of Alan Lim?
Opo, may picture po siya.
And if you compare it with the pictures that were flashed po kanina in the screen, Secretariat, can you please assist Colonel Asherto? Colonel, marunong ho ba kayong mag-zoom ng picture?
Subukan ko po.
Secretariat, can we please flash all
Ang
together
alam ko po,
the
ang alam ko
pictures
po, meron ng
earlier
kopya
and the
ang
picture in
Secretariat.
in the Chinese passport?
ang alam ko po na ipasa ko na po yata ito eh.
Okay. So, Secretariat, I hope we can there. So, this is the Chinese passport bearing the picture of, what is the name written in the passport, Colonel?
Lin Wenqiong.
Lin Wei Song. This is your husband,
Opo.
Ma'am Rose. This is your husband?
Madam Chair, pangalan po ng husband ko. Yan ang nasa passport.
How about the picture?
Pwede po pa-flash ulit and then pwede pa-zoom po.
Kindly flash the passport again. Paki-zoom daw po. Secretariat, please zoom the picture.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Siya po.
So you confirm that this is your husband.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Can we flash the other documents which Colonel Asherto has shared with us already? Colonel, ito ho bang passport na ito ho ba'y may signature at may thumb mark ni Lin Wei Song? Does it bear
Oh, wala po
the
eh.
signature and the thumb mark?
Picture lang po.
But I think, Mr. Chair, we can request for a copy of the complete essential pages of the passport with the embassy, if that will be possible.
We will write to the embassy to be able to access these records.
And it is important, Mr. Chair, that we include that page which bears the signature and the thumb mark of the bearer of the passport.
Comsec, please take note.
Do we have other documents pertaining to Alan Lim, Secretariat, which we can flash and share? So we can ask Ms. Rose Nono if she's willing to confirm that the same is her husband.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Gonzales.
may tanong lang po ako kay Rose Donolim. Ma'am, nung November 1st, kasama niyo si Alan Lim. Sabi niyo po kanina, tama po ba?
Kasama ko po si Lin Wishong.
Kaya nga po, Alan Lim or that person, meron po ba kayong dalang picture niya ngayon para may compare natin dito?
Nung November po na pumunta po ako doon, wala po kaming picture.
Kung
Pero
wala
may
kang
mga pictures po ako na kasama siya.
Meron ka bang dalang picture dyan ngayon para may compare lang natin yung mukha ng asawa mo na pinakita sa screen at saka yung dala mo?
I'll check Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, I believe that there are pictures with the Secretariat. Can we flash them one by one? And we will be asking Ms. Rose Nonolin if she will confirm whether the same is her husband. I understand we are able to capture a picture of the spouses in Atlantis, the Palm in Dubai. This was Christmas Day of 2023. Paki-flash lang po. Miss Rose Nonolin, the picture on the right, that's you and your husband. Do you confirm that?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Can you share with us where this picture was taken?
That was taken po last Christmas sa Dubai.
How about the next picture?
Yan ang next picture po. Yan po yung time na pumunta po silang Davao para po magpaalam para sa Pharmaly Biological na magtatayo po ng isang manufacturing or tawag po ay laboratory para po sa mga gamot.
So you confirm that the picture at the middle is also your husband?
Yes.
How about the third picture on the left?
Yes, Madam Chair.
That is also your husband?
Yes, Lin Wishong.
The two pictures, I hope you realize, were provided by Colonel Asherto. Colonel, tama po ba? Sa inyo nang galing itong dalawang pictures?
Opo, sa tingin ko po, sa akin po.
And you believe, Colonel Asherto, that these two pictures pertain to this Alan Lim, Wen Li Shen, and Lin Wei Xiong?
Madam Chair, gusto ko lang po i-clarify na yung mga pictures na po yon ay nanggaling at available po yan publicly sa website ng company before.
Okay.
Thank you po.
So, in other words, Ms. Rose Nonolin, you are confirming that the man in those pictures pertain to your husband?
Yes, Lin Wishong.
What you are denying is the name Alan Lim and the name Wen Li Shen.
Yes, because I
But-
never heard that name po.
For as long as this man is Lin Wei Xiong, you confirm that he is Lin Wei Xiong, your
yes,
husband.
Madam.
Do we have other pictures there? Secretariat? How about this one?
Yung may balbas po ay hindi po yan asawa ko. Yung isa po na nakangiti, Yan po yan siya dahil nakuha rin po yan sa isang public documents or public site na mayroon siyang picture.
Of course, you understand that this picture is part of the initial profile of drug personality, which I believe is part of the investigation report of Colonel Asherto.
Yes, Madam. Nakita ko na po yan last 2022, nung sa Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Tinanong na rin po yan sa akin.
And what do you comment about that?
Hindi po siya yan, yung may balbas.
How about the veracity of the information that he is a drug personality?
No, Madam Chair, hindi po. Dahil kung ang sinasabi po ni Colonel Asherto na 2003 na nandun po siya sa isang raid, ay dapat po nakasuhan na po siya. Ang sabi niya is dismiss. So kung dismiss, ibig sabihin, ang nakalagay po na pangalan niyan dyan, wala pong kaso yun.
Which raid are you referring to, ma'am?
Mayroon po siyang sinabi kanina na
2003
sa Cavite.
Mr. Chair, may I respectfully move as well that we request for the copy of the court records of the case of Alan Lim, which was dismissed back in 2003. Just for the committee to have an opportunity to compare all these documents and for us to be able to determine who really is this Lin Wei Xiong and what is his connection to the two other names, Wen Lishen and Alan Lim.
Okay, COMSEC, please coordinate with the DOJ. Please proceed.
I believe, Mr. Chair, that this is a court case, so perhaps we need to course through our request
Oh, yeah.
with the Supreme Court.
COMSEC, please prepare the letter so that we can write to the Supreme Court to get records of the case mentioned by Congresswoman Luistro.